opportunity, just call on them. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
I'm so blessed with the blessings of God. I am so blessed with the blessings of God. Anyone I touch surely must be blessed. I am so blessed with the blessings of the Lord. Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love.
The beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
the beauty,
Looking good and looking
the
nice.
beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on
the
them.
beauty.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. Ha, we in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, guillotine, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always available. Eba mi ra papa foba ogo, ọba terere. Kárí ayé.
Everybody look, see what the Lord has done.
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 Look, see what the Lord has
Put
done.
it in, put it in, put it in, put it in, put it in,
We love you. Take a look. All the Deck Beauty fans in the world. Deck Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragamuffin.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love.
The beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
the beauty,
Looking good and looking nice.
the beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on
the
them.
beauty,
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love.
the beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
the beauty,
Looking good and looking
the
nice.
beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Oh, Samudiame, oh, I say no, oh, I just to get Mudiani me for. Oh, Mudianoma, I Megite, no Samudiana,
Any day,
oh, I no Samudiana,
any day,
no Samudiana, any day, no Samudiana, any day.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love.
the beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
the beauty,
Looking good and looking nice.
the beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on
the
them.
beauty,
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love.
the beauty,
In case you need your gele to be tight.
the beauty,